Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited, we extend a heartfelt and warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, first of all, for gracing us with your presence in this event. We are delighted to have you all present here as the company marks a significant milestone in its journey as its equity shares of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultant Limited gets listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange of India Limited. An important achievement and a momentous occasion for the company. Before we commence our ceremony, I would like to request everybody to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all. Please be seated. On this momentous occasion of the listing of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited, I would like to welcome the panel of dignitaries, promoters, and esteemed guests we have today. We have with us Mr. Dattatreya Karpe, who is the Managing Director of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. We have Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, who is the Head Listing and SME, Bombay Stock Exchange of India Limited. We have Mr. Sanjay Vidvans, who is the whole-time director of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. We have Mr. Sunil Bhalerao, who is whole-time director of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. We also have Mr. Bhartesh Shah, who is the whole-time director of Monarch. And we have Mr. Sunil Kokre, who is the business head of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. We also have esteemed guest, Ms. Ayushi Malik, who is the Miss India Supranational 2025. We would like to extend our hearty welcome to also our book running lead manager to the issue, who is CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I would like to ask my audience to please give our esteemed guest a huge round of applause. And now, I request the promoter of the company to please come forward and present a flower bouquet on behalf of the company as a token of welcome. I'd like to request and call on stage Mr. Dattatreya Karpe to please join us on the stage and present a flower bouquet to our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan from Bombay Stock Exchange of India Limited. Thank you so much, Radha ma'am. I request Dattatreya sir to present our next token to CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors. I request Yogesh sir to please join us on the stage and receive this flower bouquet as a token of welcome. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Dattatreya sir. Before any event we start, before anything we begin, it is believed that lighting a lamp and asking blessings from God brings prosperity, wisdom, and the kind of shield and positivity we need to start and succeed in the said project. Today, now that we are entering this beautiful journey of the company entering the market, let us start by lighting a lamp in the name of God. And for that, I would like to call forward our company promoters, Mr. Dattatreya Karpe, Mr. Sanjay Vidvans, Mr. Sunil Bhalerao, Mr. Bhartesh Shah, and our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan. I would also like to call forward Mr. Sunil Kokre, Mr. Anil Shelar, Mr. Sanjay Mahashabde, CA Yogesh Jain, CA Surendra Chopra, and Ms. Ayushri Malik. I request all our guests to please come forward and light the lamp in the name of God.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you so much to all our dignitaries for first of all gracing this event and then giving it this beautiful and positive tone. Shubham Karottam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadam, which beautifully means that the lamp that we've lit, we pray and hope to the lamp that it provides us wisdom, prosperity, health, and knowledge for the time to come. Moving forward, first of all, I would like to say a very nice observation that I've made is, first of all, it's a beautiful full house today. None of the chairs are empty, which just says a lot about the company and the support that it has from its people. So that is the first observation I made today. And the second observation I made today was that not just the promoters, but all the people seated in the audience have a very beautiful and proud smile on their face, which also says that they consider not just the promoter's company, but that they consider this company as theirs as well, which is a beautiful value to be instilled. Before I begin, I'd like to give a little brief about the company that we've all gathered here for today. Today marks a proud and defining moment for Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultant Limited, a milestone that reflects years of dedication, innovation, and a vision to serve industry all over the world. Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants is engaged in the business to provide comprehensive consultancy services under concept to commissioning of infrastructure projects, which includes survey, design and technical supervision for roads, railways, metros, town planning, geospatial mapping, land acquisition, water, transmission line, pipelines, and other civil engineering sectors. The company's objective is to create consistent value for its clients by delivering uncompromising quality of services at optimum costs through conditions improvement and elemental technologies of this field, maintaining integrity and design processes which foster excellence in all the aspects of its operations. It currently provides end-to-end services with a diverse workforce specializing in detailed engineering, project management, construction supervision, facilities design, land surveying, land acquisition services, geospatial mapping, geotechnical investigation, and special inspections. As the company steps into the public markets today, they do so with immense gratitude and an even stronger commitment to grow, evolve, and lead. Now that I've given you a brief about the company, let me also show you a little corporate video of the company so that we can know this company a little better.
Roads, railways, metros, town planning, water, transmission lines, and civil engineering sectors are driving our nation's growth. At the core of these transformative projects lies the critical need for land survey and mapping, design, land acquisition, project reporting, bid process management, and technical supervision. Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited is a consultancy service provider for large-scale infrastructure projects, providing end-to-end solutions from concept to commissioning, ensuring excellence throughout the life cycle of infrastructure projects. With a proven track record of over 25 years, we have consistently delivered exceptional value to our clients. Monarch is accredited with ISO 9001:2015, ISO 27001:2022 and CMMI Maturity Level 3 certifications. In 2022, we were recognized as one of the top 10 engineering consultants in India by Industry Outlook. We are driven by continuous improvement through innovative technologies, maintaining integrity and high-quality engineering design processes that exceeds client expectations. We offer a comprehensive suite of services including surveying and mapping, engineering investigation, land planning and land acquisition, conceptualizing design and engineering, detailed project report, project bid process management, project management and construction supervision. Our field staff use the up-to-date surveying equipment and techniques that include 3D mobile and terrestrial lidars, DGPS, drones, aircraft lidars with lidar and thermal sensors, ghetto trolleys and more. Our strength lies in more than 500 dedicated professionals, including experienced and energetic engineers, planners, and technical experts who ensure efficiency and timely project execution. We proudly serve a diverse range of clients, including government agencies, corporations, central and state governments, public sector undertakings, development authorities, and urban local bodies across India. As of March 31, 2025, we have ongoing projects of project value above 500 crore rupees, contributing to India's infrastructural development. Dattatreya Karpe, Promoter and Managing Director. Sanjay Vidwans, Promoter and Whole-Time Director. Sunil Bhalerao, Promoter and Whole-Time Director. Bhartesh Shah, Promoter and Whole-Time Director.
Our ability to offer a wide range of services and optimal resource utilization is our formula for success. By adapting advanced tools and technology, closely monitoring project execution and continuously improving process and productivity, we are able to maintain our competitive edge.
Through a multidisciplinary, vertically integrated value chain, we are mapping India's infrastructural landscape and contributing to the nation's progress.
We remain committed to achieving our leadership position by enhancing project execution capabilities, leveraging our market skills and relationship, incorporate advanced tools and technology, and skilled human resources.
Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. Supporting India's growth yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
That was the beautiful company video. Moving forward, without further ado, I would like to call on the dais, promoter and managing director of Monarch, Mr. Dattatreya Karpe, to share a few happy words with us on this occasion. Please, sir.
Good morning, all of you all. Respected guests from the Bombay Stock Exchange, distinguished dignitaries, valued partners, colleagues, and to every present and future shareholder joining us in person. It is a long journey that started 40 years ago when we were in college as students, where none of us knew our future would like, but destiny wanted us to be together. And so 14 years later, Monarch was born in 1999. The decision to become a public limited company was made 15 years ago in the annual gathering, and the decision has come true today. Friends, we are not here to sell shares. We are here to share a vision. Every kilometer we chart must shorten someone's path to success. The funds raised will be used with discipline and purpose to upgrade work infrastructure and streamline workflows for greater efficiency, to build a strategic reserve that leads to a size tomorrow's opportunities and protect shareholders from market shocks. And let me acknowledge the extraordinary faith the market has already shown us. Within just 3 trading days, our IPO was subscribed more than 250 times. That tidal wave of a demand is powerful endorsement of Monarch's record and the promise of the road ahead. To every applicant, thank you for turning belief into numbers. We accept that mandate with modesty and determination. A dream too big to build alone. To the young engineers watching from a small town, let this IPO prove that belief outshines background. To every potential shareholder, join us not only for financial gain, but to help author India's next mobility chapter. When the opening bell sounds through this hall, may it also echo the classrooms, factories, villages where our projects will soon connect. Thank you all, the employees. No, our family members, who are the backbone of Monarch, who made our journey possible. On this occasion, I would like to remember and thank every family member for taking care and responsibilities in our absence so we could freely work without being burdened. Many of whom are no longer with us in this journey, but their blessings are always shining upon us. A special note of thanks to our better halves, who in every sense prove that they are better half of our, as they turn themselves into the head of the family without being asked and to shoulder our burden without a complaint in our absence, and nourished our household and children. Hats off to them. We are also grateful to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange, our book-running lead manager, and banking partners for guiding us through a complicated and demanding process. I thank our legal counsels, auditors, PR partners, and registrars. To our clients, public and private, your trust is the foundation of our success. Today's bell is more than just a start of a trading session. It is the apex of a remarkable journey that began in 1999 as Monarch. Ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to strike the gong, remember, a share is only a slip of paper. But a shared dreams can redraw skylines. Come map the skyline with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those beautiful words. Moving forward, I'd like to invite on the dais our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME from BSE India. I request ma'am to please join us and share a few words with us. Please, ma'am.
Good morning. Karpeji, I'm sure the shareholders will be happy to map their investments to the skyline, as you said. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this listing ceremony and to this BSE International Convention Center. We would like to congratulate Monarch for the successful IPO, which Karpeji said 250 times it was oversubscribed, but the 250 times means over 23,000 crores amount was received. So that is a very big amount, I should say, for an SME IPO. Monarch will be the 596th company which will be listed on the BSE SME platform, which has helped companies raise over 10,000 crores. And the market capitalization of all these companies put together is over 180,000 crores. So that's how you grow in this platform, I would say. Expertise, innovation, and dedication is, we believe, the foundation of success at Monarch. And going forward, I'm sure the company would include transparency, governance, and commitment to shareholder value as the mantra for growth. We are more happy today because we have a company from Maharashtra to be listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. So that gives us more happiness, actually. BSE is the world's largest exchange in terms of a number of listed entities. We have over 5,000 entities listed on our stock exchanges. And proud to share that we have completed 150 years of service to the capital market. As the company begins its new chapter, I would like to congratulate the entire team, the promoters, the board of directors, and the book running lead managers, and all the other intermediaries who were involved in this company getting to this stage today. Your hard work and dedication and vision have brought you to this moment. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best and a very successful listing, and I'm ensuring our support at all times for any of your future capital raise. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And to commemorate the significance of this event, I would like to call once again on our stage our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME, BSE, to please join us on the stage and present a memento to our company promoters of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants, Mr. Dattatreya Karpe, who is the Managing Director, Mr. Sanjay Vidwans, Mr. Sunil Bhalerao, Mr. Bhartesh Shah, and Mr. Sunil Kokre, who is the Business Head. I request everybody to please join us on the stage and receive this memento from BSE. I request Mr. Dattatreya to please receive another memento on behalf of the company from BSE. Thank you so much, sirs. I request Radha ma'am to present our next memento to the merchant banker and book running lead manager to the issue, CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I request her to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving forward, I'd like to call on the dais CA Surendra Chopra from Oxyvin Corporate Advisors Private Limited to please share a few words with us on this occasion. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome all the dignitaries present over here today. I would like to begin by congratulating the entire Monarch family on this massive occasion of getting listed on BSE SME platform. It's truly prestigious and emotional moment for all of us. From its humble beginning as a surveyor consultancy firm, Monarch has evolved into a trusted partner in infrastructure development, known for its innovation and exceptional excellence across pan-India and abroad. Today's listing is not just a financial milestone, it's a celebration of years of hard work, dedication, and combined efforts of the entire Monarch team. As you all know, this IPO has given a stellar performance and has been oversubscribed by over 250 times. This is a remarkable achievement, and it shows that investors have placed immense trust in the company, its vision, and its leadership. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to management of Monarch, especially Sunil Kokre sir, for placing his trust in us and allowing us to be part of this remarkable journey. I would also like to take the opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the entire Beeline team, especially Nikhil Bhai and Yogesh Bhai, for their unwavering support and outstanding efforts throughout this journey. A special mention must go to the promoter and management of the Monarch, whose support has been invaluable during the IPO process. I want to appreciate the expertise and guidance of Dattatreya Karpe sir and Bhartesh Shah sir. The strategic insight coupled with technical acumen and knowledge of Sanjay Vidwans sir and Sunil Bhalerao sir have been instrumental in our success. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Sunil Kokre sir for his exceptional business understanding and remarkable executional capabilities, which have been central to bringing us to this milestone. I would also like to extend my appreciation to Mr. Mahesh Kanade and Mrs. Supriya Chogle and the entire Monarch team for their consistent hard work and dedication. Thank you to my partners, Sumit Bhai, Sayed Bhai, Rohit, Narayan, Hashmukh Bhai, to thank you everyone. Once again, thank you to everyone who has been part of this impressive journey. Your contribution had made this IPO a resounding success. Congratulations to Monarch on this remarkable achievement, and we look forward to a bright future together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now that the moment has arrived that we've all been waiting for, I humbly request our company promoters, our managing director of Monarch, along with our esteemed guests, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Ms. Ayushri Malik, and our other esteemed guests to please join us on the stage near the bell and be prepared to ring the bell. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And a big congratulations to the company that it has finally gotten listed on the BSE platform. Congratulations to the entire team. Moria. A big congratulations to the entire team, promoters, and panel of board and directors for getting listed successfully on the platform of BSE. Thank you so much to all our dignitaries. Okay, 406 is the prize that it is open on, which is amazing. And moving forward, I'd like to call on the dais to share a few happy words with us on this occasion the whole-time director of Monarch, Mr. Sanjay Vidwans. I request Sanjay sir to please join us on the stage and share a few words with us. Please, sir.
Yeah, good morning all. Dear BSE dignitaries, friends, families, valued investors, and I am truly excited to be here today. As a whole-time director and in charge of the finance, I find myself right in the middle of all the actions, managing our funds, managing our expenses, etc. Planning for this IPO was a wonderful journey. As Mr. Datta said, we have spent nearly a year in discussions, planning, and other things. Now finally the moment has arrived. Today we have played the gong at BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange, the power of vibrance. I really thank ma'am, Radha ma'am, for allowing us to use this platform, and thank you all. It has been over 33 years of journey. We 5 college mates started a business, and we have started the business from scratch. None of us had the required funds or family background. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge our beloved teacher, Professor Sri Anil Shelar. who is also an independent director. He not only taught us surveying and engineering subjects, but also spent from his own pocket to buy necessary survey equipments to begin with. He has supported us in every step of way since day one and his presence in this auditorium. My heartfelt gratitude goes to one and all who believed in us and making this journey look very easy. All this wouldn't have been possible without our backbone, our employees, as Datta sir said, our family members, whose dedication and support help us to look at bigger things. So thank you, team. I must also thank our book runners, PR team members, and all other those who supported us during this IPO process. I will be failing my duty if I don't acknowledge the support of our esteemed clients, our well-wishers, our families, our friends, who believed in us and made this journey possible. And finally, the entire BSA team, the Radha ma'am and their entire team, in helping us to list on this exchange. At the end of my speech, I want to assure you that this is an exciting new chapter, and I will promise you that with your support of the stakeholders, we are ready to take a big forward leap. Once again, a big thank you to all of you for being with us in this journey, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I'd like to call on the dais Book Running Lead Manager, CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors, to please share a few words with us on this occasion.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome all the dignitaries and the guests today who have gathered so early in the morning for the listing ceremony of the Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. Special thanks to Ms. Radha, Head BSc SME. Thanks for coming for the occasion, ma'am. So first of all, I would like to congratulate to the whole management of Monarch and as well as the whole Monarch team for this big milestone. Once in a lifetime journey for any company, this is a listing day. I think this memory need to be framed somewhere and kept it in the company, sir. So amazing listing today. As we all have seen, the company IPO has got a tremendous response. So IPO has opened at almost 68% premium today than the issue price, and taking our valuation to almost 590 crores. So congratulations, sir. And this is just a beginning for the company. So many more such milestones to achieve. Well, we all know that IPO subscribed 250 times. So we have received almost more than 270,000 applications across more than 10,000 cities across the globe. So with 19 anchor key marquee anchor names, anchors have participated in the anchor book, including the good names like Morgan Stanley, NAV Capital, etc. Many FPIs have participated. This shows trust and confidence which investors has put on the management of the Monarch. So investors ne apna kaam kar liya, sir. Now it is your turn. Ball is in your court. Now it's your turn to prove it. What investors has put faith on you. So I think just sir has mentioned in this speech, I think what a great and humble beginning. The story of friends come partners coming together and forming such a great company. So I'm sure, sir, this is very inspiration, will give a lot of inspiration to many budding entrepreneurs. So I like the line, sir, which you just shared. I'm sure that I'm going to use that line in many occasions. You said that we are not here to sell the shares, but we are here to share the vision. So hats off to you, sir, and I'm sure that you continue your vision with the new IPO funding. So the company has raised the funds primarily for the working capital, and I'm sure the kind of business we are in, we'll be able to get more and more business with additional capital. So all the best for the future plans, sir. So SME platform, the beginning was in 2012. I think it's almost 13 years we have completed. At long way we have, fortunately I was a part of journey since the whole 13 years. And I've seen the platform growing day by day, companies coming and forming part of this platform. Today is almost 600 companies have been listed by BSE and similar number by NSE. Lot of advantage as a listed company you get. including, strengthening your position in terms of vendors, clients, in terms of credibility in the market, in terms of getting funding, lot of advantages as a listed company you get. So again, I always appeal to all the entrepreneurs to consider this platform as a growth story to raise the growth capital for the company. So in the next 3 years, the company will be eligible for the main board. So after that, if everything is online, we'll be able to go on the main board as well. So typically, I always give some success mantra to the companies as well as to the investors. So for the company, I would say, first number, growth in business. So definitely that is what we are here for. Corporate governance, this is something which is very important when we are talking on the listing platform. So this is something which every investors is the must for the BSE as well as investors. And third number is transparency. So if you follow these 3 success mantra, I think nobody can stop you for achieving the grand success in future. For the investors, we always suggest that you study the company well before you invest. Point number 2, focus on the long-term investing, because today the company has got funds, they will put in the business, and ultimately the growth numbers will take some time to come on the balance sheet. So third number, monitoring the all updates by the company, including the results, any changes, any updates of the company. So this is what is from my side. As Beeline, we take pride listing on the Monarch. Typically, everyone says that this IPO has done by the merchant banker, but this is not the case, friends. Let me tell you, this was definitely not possible without the support of so many people, so many stakeholders. When we all come together, then only the IPO project gets successfully completed. So I would like to acknowledge my sincere gratitude to the people who have contributed and worked tirelessly to turn this vision into reality. To begin, first of all, my special thanks to Oxyven team. Surendra Bhai, where are you, sir? Please, I think if you can raise once. So thank you, Surendra Bhai. All because of you, sir, I think we are able to meet this great company, and the kind of support you have given in terms of, oral process, in terms of documentation, in terms of everything. मतलब exchange से approval नहीं आया था तो सुरेंद्र भाई के 4 बार फोन आता मेरे को सर approval नहीं आ रहा है, and fortunately I have never got a call from some promoters. So thank you, Surendra Bhai, for an excellent support, and looking forward to work along with you for the more projects. Syed Bhai, yes, Syed Bhai, thank you very much. I think a lot of Syed Bhai has been working with us tirelessly. Many times he has visited to Ahmedabad just to, complete the oral project. So thank you, Syed Bhai. Hats off to you. And the whole Oxyven team, thank you very much. Monarch team, Sunil ji, Sanjay sir, we have troubled you a lot for the investors meeting, sir. Thank you very much for your patiently replying to all the questions and answers raised by the investors. Supriya madam, auditors of the company, company secretary, lawyers, Leena madam and the team. Special thanks to Bombay Stock Exchange, Sachin Bhai. I'm sure Sachin Bhai, where are you? Sachin Bhai, okay. Sachin Bhai, Hardik Bhai, you're sitting at the last, but I think your contribution has been the top of it. Without your support, definitely it was not possible, sir. So Sachin Bhai, Hardik Bhai, Janardhan, Parul, Nitin, Raja madam, and the whole BSE team, thank you very much. Let's have a round of applause for BSE team. Market Makers Predix team, PR team, Concept Communication, Sanjay Bhai, you are here? Sanjay Bhai, Anuprita. Okay, thank you very much for your excellent support in PR. Registrars, last but not the least, our Beeline team, special thanks to Yashika, Arpit, Priyanka and the whole Beeline Jaipur team for the overall project completion. Sorry if I forgot any names. So guys, listing is beginning, not the end. So this is just the beginning of the growth journey of Monarch. And with this, I wish all the best to the company for the future and strive not only to meet, but to beat the expectations of the investors. Thank you very much, sir, and all the best.
Thank you so much, Yogesh sir. As sir said, that an IPO process is a culmination of efforts from a lot of different people. A lot of different teams are involved into bringing this one issue forward, and without any of them, it is not possible. So that we've gotten the chance to appreciate these people today, let me take a moment and invite on the stage Mr. Dattatreya Karpe and Mr. Sunil Bhalerao to please join us on the stage and present a token of gratitude from the company to our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSE. I request sirs to please join us on the stage and present this token to Radha ma'am. Thank you so much, Radha ma'am. I request sirs to please remain standing and present our next memento to CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I request Yogesh sir to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, Yogesh sir. Thank you so much, sirs. I request you. Moving forward, I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Anil Shelar and Mr. Sanjay Mahashabde to present our next memento to the Oxivin team, CA Surendra Chopra, CA Sumit Dokania, CA Syed Asghar Mehdi, CA Rohit Nahata, and CA Mitesh Nawal. I request all of them to please join us on the stage here. Thank you so much, sirs. Thank you to the team of Oxivin. For the next one, I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Bhartesh Shah and Mr. Sunil Kokre to present our next memento to Mr. Piyush Luthra from CA Sakdev and Co. Chartered Accountant. I request Piyush sir to please join us on the stage and receive this token from the company. Thank you so much, sirs. Thank you so much. Moving forward, I'd like to call on the stage Mr. Sanjay Vidwans to present our next memento to Krishank Shah and Associates. I request the team of Krishank Shah and Associates to please join us on this stage and receive this token. Thank you so much. I request Sanjay sir to please present our next memento to Mr. Sachin Jain from BSc. I request Sachin sir to please join us on the stage and receive this token. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Sanjay sir. For the next one, I'd like to invite on the stage CFO Supriya Chowgle to present the memento to Mr. Hardik Bhuta from BSc. I request Hardik sir and Supriya ma'am to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much. For the next one, I'd like to request CS Naman Kaur and CFO Supriya ma'am to please join us on the stage and present that memento to the Concept PR team, Concept Communication Limited. I request the team of Concept PR to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Moving forward, I would like to invite CA Yogesh Jain to present mementos from Beeline Capital Advisors. I request Yogesh sir to present our first memento to our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSc. I request Radha ma'am to please join us once again on the stage and receive this token from Beeline. Thank you so much, Radha ma'am. I request Yogesh sir to please present our next token to Mr. Dattatreya Karpe, Managing Director of Monarch Surveyors and Engineering Consultants Limited. I request sir to please join us on the stage and receive this token from Beeline. Thank you so much, sir. For the next one, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Sanjay Vidwans, who is the whole-time director of Monarch. I request Sanjay sir to please join us on the stage. For the next one, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sunil Bhalerao, who is the whole-time director of Monarch. I request Sunil sir to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much. For the next one, I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Bhartesh Shah, who is the whole-time director of Monarch. I request Bhartesh sir to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much. For the next one, I'd like to invite Mr. Sunil Kokre, who is the business head of Monarch, to please join us on the stage. Sunil sir's popularity is quite loud, sir. Okay, for the next one, I'd like to invite on stage Oxygen team, CA Surendra Chopra, CA Sumit Dokania, CA Syed Asghar Mehdi, CA Rohit Nata, and CA Mitesh Nawal. I request the team of Oxygen to please once again join us on the stage. Thank you so much to the team of Oxygen and Yogesh sir. Any event this beautiful that starts with on a happy note must also come to a bittersweet end. And we as well come to a bittersweet end to this beautiful ceremony. And before I rest my words, I would like to call on the dais Mr. Sunil Kokre, business head of Monarch, to please join us on the stage and share a few words with us. Please, sir.
Good morning, friends. Whatever I want to share, everybody told, everybody thank you. सब हो गया अभी मेरे पास बोलने के लिए कुछ बचा ही नहीं है वैसा. Still, I'll start. What a spectacular entry in the market. 250 times oversubscribed, 23,000 crore, 10,000 cities. Wow. That actually, I feel this is the confidence shown on us, and as well as that confidence shown our mission, our execution, and this wonderful company, whatever project we are delivering. This hall might witness number of such occasions, but this ceremony is belong to us. It is testament to our hard work, our integrity, which propelled us to make this wonderful company. It's truly unbelievable. Friends, just I recall that early hours made up Bandra's garbage and that rotten smells for Bombay Gasgate pipeline. Then I recall so many afternoons, hungry afternoons, in mid-up forest for various expressway surveys and planning, where our laborers graciously served their food to us. And from, I think, that instilled in us the quality of this togetherness, bonding, and integrity. Apart from that, whatever our team is there, it is phenomenal. Throughout this journey, it is this success actually belongs to our Monarch team. I just remember so many sleepless nights at office with Santosh. Santosh is our heading railway operations, Pan-India since last 25 years, working as a director of railway operations. Then Kaji is there, whose support, back office. Then Mahale, what an inspiration journey from office boy to survey head. Then Kamlakar, then Somonshi, Naukar. Each thread is the garland in our this beautiful company's success. Apart from that, now Sushil is there, Abhijit is there, and then Kamlakar is there. They are taking it forward. One thing I want to mention, actually this script, today's script, written by one of my close friend. Without his support, it won't be possible. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Regarding family, he always been an anchor in our journey, especially my wife, Usha. Always it happens during the midnight, odd hours, I reach home. The moment I open door, from the deep sleep, she always say, Sunil, have you come? Yes. Thank you for understanding and encouragement, Usha. To my driver, our drivers, all drivers, who ensure our comfort during late night travels, our office boy who serve teas, coffees during odd hours. Your presence is always comfortable and give some comfort moments. Thank you. Apart from that, whatever today this gathering is happening, this is because Beeline, then Suribai, Sayed Bhai, back office Supriya, then Macha sir. Thank you all for your support. And lastly, whatever investor has shown faith on us, we promise our investor that whatever penny or single penny or money they have invested in us, we judiciously use for growth of our business. Whatever confidence you have shown on us, thank you for that. We are not taking as a beginning, or this is just we'll use as a launch pad, and Monarch is ready for the future. Ultimately, without the God's grace, it won't happen. So thank you, God. I pray to divinity, give us strength to carry it forward to the new height. And thank you, everyone. Lastly, ये जगह बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैम. I would love to come again in your future. Thank you. Director sir, kindly start writing new script for us. Thanks a lot. Thanks a friend. Thanks all well-wishers. Without their support in our thick and thin, it won't be possible. So many are there in very room. Rajendra, always there in crisis situation. Mahesh, Samudra sir, always guided since beginning. Shelar sir, Sanjay already told, he is a mentor for the company since beginning. Atul sir, you taught a lot. Business, I learned from you. Thank you, sir. Uttam colleague, Rane Sahib is there. Thank you, sir. Mahesh sir, then again, from government side, very few are there, but Algunde sir, thank you for your support. From Shudco side, Mr. Divanji sir is there. He is actually my father's friend. He introduced later on, but now he is there and supporting a lot. Aniruddha, thank you. You are here. Thank you, everybody. And Monarch staff and families, thank you. Thank you, sir.
I think there was an excess of thank yous, but that is the amount of gratitude I'm sure that the team and board has right now for the people who have supported and brought this company to this day. And as Sunil sir rightly said, that this is just the beginning of the company. This is beginning of a journey where company is going to grow multifolds in the open market from now on. And so we all wish, all the audience members seated here wish the best to the company, that it reaches newer and newer heights every day and exceeds the expectations of stakeholders. Moving forward, I would also like to thank BSE, our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, who has joined us today, the promoters, Managing Director, whole-time directors, business head, the board of directors on the company, the team of the company, and our esteemed guest, Ms. Ayashri Malik, also who have joined us here today, book running lead manager, the team of Beeline, the advisors to the IPO, the team of Oxivin, Concept PR team, all of them for giving and contributing so much to this entire process of IPO. But one thing that stuck to me was when Dattatreya sir said that I thank the better half of the entire team. And for that, I would like to ask my audience members to please give a huge round of applause to all the better halves. Because they are the true foundation, जिसको हम नींव बोलते हैं, they are the true foundation of the spirit and success that we have today. And lastly, before I rest my words, I'd also like to ask all my dear audience members to please give a huge round of applause to yourselves for giving an applause whenever I asked you to. And also for joining so early in the morning to celebrate the success of this company today. It is no easy feat that they have achieved, but it wouldn't be possible without family members, supporters, and well-wishers. So thank you to all of them for joining and celebrating and being a part of this beautiful event. I, Jia Solanki, sign and rest my words here, but not without wishing you all a lovely day ahead. Thank you all. We have arranged refreshments on this side. Thank you all. Have a lovely day, and Jai Hind.